Mexico, Britain, and a host of other countries. The Atheists have devised a system to use THEIRDEMOCRACY to take over the countries, and guess what the first people them put as TERRORISTS? The Christians. It's happening in the United States with the one them where we see what them do, and it's happening around the world because we never know, say they are very stealthy in how they operate. Majority of SOCIALISTS are also called comrades. They are also called MARXISTS. Most of them not believe in the Most High, Jehovah, as their God. They are led by LUCIFER. And if you didn't know, COMMUNISTS are the worst KILLERS on earth. Yeah, so those who don't want to ask and check out who is coming into their country to run in their highest places, and then you see why there's things like the SAMOA agreement behind the back door. Then there's agreement for ABORTION and every kind of degeneracy. Remember, people who don't believe in Jehovah don't have any rules. They don't have any laws. They only work according to what Satan tells them. This is what democracy brings, and appointing people who don't share your common ancestor, lineage, or bloodline. That's why we will never join with any democracy or laws or Jehovah's laws. So the UK went from polytheistic idolatry in the form of ISLAM and HINDUISM to ATHEISM and AGASTONICS. What do you think? Guess who's also one of those in Jamaica? A lot of those pale faces, a lot of the ISLAMISTS. Mark Golding, his parents, his upbringing, the same thing. Listen to the prayer that the pastor prayed over him when the Holy Spirit did reveal how crooked and how not straight these people were. Yeah, check out if they ever got baptized, what their beliefs are. Nobody ever seemed to ask these people what their beliefs are. Yeah.